Hello, welcome to my channel Traveling Free Girl. I hope everyone is doing fine. Keep on your mask, keep on washing your hands, and keep on watching my videos. Today we're going to talk about 10 apps or 10 must apps which you need in 2021 before going to Dubai. So let's just jump into it. The first app, as you all know, is Arogya Setu app. A green status on your Arogya Setu app is mandatory to enter the airport. Dubai has its own app, that is COVID-19 DXB Smart app before departure. Must download it. You can scan the QR code in the declaration form using this app. Instructions are in English and Arabic. Third app which you would use intensely would be Uber. Yes, Uber runs in Dubai. Fourth app which you're going to use would be Google Maps. It's very convenient wherever you're going. Just download the map. At times net is not working, so it's the best thing to do. The fifth most important app is S-Hail app. It's very important, especially not only does it give route planners using public transport, taxi booking can be done. It shows exactly how much it's going to cost for your transportation. And secondly, it gives live traffic updates, public and buses and metro timings, departure timings, everything. Even it shows point of interest and parking, hospital, schools, wherever is nearby. And in fact, it shows NOL, that's a traveling card for Dubai, how much balance do you have and everything. So it's a very useful app, especially if you want to travel by buses and local transport. Anyways, Dubai is very expensive. Best way to travel anywhere. I do budget traveling, so that's the best thing to do, to download the apps and use public transport. The sixth app I'm going to tell you is RTA Dubai. I know it's a transportation app, but why I'm telling you this, there is a reason. But before I tell you the reason, I must tell you, whoever are new in my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share as much as you want. Don't forget to press the bell icon also. And let's just talk about RTA Dubai. Why I think S-Hail and RTA Dubai is important. Yes, RTA Dubai will have all the other things I told you earlier. In S-Hail app, but additionally, as you all know, Dubai not even there is a lot of traffic there, so not even by buses and trains, but there are trams, there are water taxis, there are ferries, and you can do very less ferry tours over there. And for that information, that RTA Dubai app is very important. It tells you the timings and everything. You can do 2 dirham ferry rides, water taxis I mean, and very cheap RTA. They have ferry routes, which I'm actually going to show you later on in my videos. So if you want to see that, keep in tune. I mean, keep in the channel, press the bell icon and stay here. As soon as you land, what you want to do first, you want to call your family, you want to tell them you've reached Dubai after immigration, and you open your WhatsApp and it's not working. You can't do that because Dubai has a ban in calling and video calls. So best thing you can do is download IMO app, and it works wonderfully over there. Oh, wonderful, you reached Dubai. You went in taxi or you took the public transport, you reached your hotel, but after your COVID test you have to be quarantined for 1 night. What are you going to do about the food? If you're taking a hostel or an hotel, it's going to be expensive. So Zomato works there. Isn't that wonderful? You can just order food on Zomato. They won't deliver in the hotel inside, but you can just go outside and take your delivery. Ninth app is QR code scanner. You would need this especially when you're getting the COVID report from there, from Dubai. When you have to get the COVID report, you will have to scan some things, and especially when you're at the malls, Dubai Mall or Emirate malls. The malls are huge, like literally huge. There are scanner codes everywhere, so that will show you the map of the mall, and you will be easy going. You don't have to ask anyone. The malls are really huge. You might get lost. So best thing is to download this app. 10th app, the most important app, is for last. In Dubai, you're supposed to get COVID report while coming back, like 48 hours before coming to India. So private apps, they take around 150 dirham. So it's best to go for a government app. There is called Seha app. Okay, but only thing you need a local SIM. Without local SIM, you won't be able to register in this app, and you have to pay by your credit card. So you have to pay there only. So please, if you don't have a local international roaming going on, you will not get an SMS from your bank before going there. Make sure that your bank or credit card has an OTP which comes on the email. Like I had this case, my Kotak bank, credit card, they send OTP on the email. My international roaming was not working, so I couldn't book this. But apparently, and the price of this is very less. This is around 65 dirhams, and the private one is 150. So best is to download this app. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give me your comments down there and tell me how the things are with you. I hope everyone is fine at your in your family, and stay tuned. I'm going to make more vlogs of my Dubai trip, and I'm a single girl traveling alone, how on a budget. So please stay tuned. Bye, take care. Please guys, just go to my channel and press subscribe, and don't forget to press this bell icon and all, so that the next video I post you will get a notification of it. Please like the video. One like means a lot to me.